It feels like everyone is talking about AI, but when it comes to making your daily life easier, where are the real solutions? That's what I'll be answering today. I'm going to show you 7 AI tools that genuinely improve your productivity in ways you'll actually notice. These are tools I use myself to save time, stay organized, and make those endless to-do lists a little less overwhelming. And stick around until the end, because I've got 4 bonus tools to share, ones that might just fill some gaps in your workflow. Tool 1. You might think all web browsers are basically the same, but Arc is different in ways that are hard to go back from once you've tried it. If you've used Chrome or Safari your whole life, you know how messy tab management can get. You open tabs for work, for personal errands, for articles you want to read later, and suddenly your browser feels like a chaotic junk drawer. Arc fixes that with features like a vertical sidebar for managing your tabs and bookmarks. It might sound like a small change, but it makes a big difference. The sidebar lets you organize things more intuitively, and it stays hidden when you don't need it, so your screen doesn't feel cluttered. One of Arc's most useful tools is something they call the Broom button. This uses AI to analyze all your open tabs and automatically group them into categories. If you're juggling work and personal browsing, you can create separate spaces for each, so your work tabs don't mix with the ones you open to plan your vacation. There's also a split view feature that lets you drag a tab out to view 2 pages side by side. This is perfect if you're working on a document and need to reference another page without constantly switching back and forth. Another small but incredibly thoughtful touch is what happens when you're watching a YouTube video. If you open a new tab, Arc automatically switches the video into picture-in-picture mode. This means you can keep working while still following along with whatever you're watching. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you try it. And Arc also has built-in tools for renaming downloaded files, previewing links before you click on them, and even taking quick screenshots with keyboard shortcuts. Tool 2. Perplexity AI is incredibly helpful. It's essentially an AI-powered research assistant. Instead of sifting through pages of search results, Perplexity summarizes the most relevant information for you and even includes links to the original sources so you can dig deeper if you want. It's like getting a cheat sheet for any topic you're curious about. The interface is clean, fast, and completely ad-free, which makes it a joy to use. And if you're on the go, there's a mobile app so you can take it with you. If you need even more advanced capabilities, the paid version gives you access to the latest AI language models for deeper, more nuanced answers. Tool 3. Now, let's talk about Notion, a tool that feels like having an external brain to store everything you need to remember. Whether you're organizing your work projects, personal goals, or even just random ideas, Notion helps you keep it all in one place. I keep it open in a pinned tab in Arc browser, so I can quickly drag it into a split view whenever I need to add something. It's incredibly versatile. For example, you can create collapsible sections in your notes, which is perfect for organizing information without it feeling overwhelming. You just click a little arrow, and all the details neatly fold away until you need them. Notion also has AI tools built right into the platform. You can use them to rewrite or reformat paragraphs, generate ideas, or even summarize a long block of text into something more digestible. If you work with a team, the collaboration features make it easy to share and update pages in real time. And one of my favorite features is that you can turn any page into a shareable website. It's an easy way to share information without needing to build a full-blown website from scratch. Tool 4. If you're someone who feels buried under the weight of constant notifications and messages, Texts.com might be exactly what you need. It's an app that brings all your messaging platforms, like WhatsApp, iMessage, and Slack, into one place. Instead of switching between apps, you get a single inbox where you can manage everything. The AI integration helps streamline your communication by drafting responses, summarizing long conversations, and translating messages if you're working across languages. You can even search for specific conversations, pin important threads, and schedule messages to be sent later. It's designed with privacy in mind, offering end-to-end encryption to keep your data secure. Tool 5. If emails are your biggest headache, Missive is the tool to try. It's an email app that uses AI to help you get to inbox zero. Missive integrates with OpenAI to help you draft and reply to emails quickly and accurately. It can also correct grammar and spelling, which is a lifesaver if you're firing off emails in a rush. The AI can even be customized to follow specific prompts, tailoring its responses to match your tone or style. Missive also has great team features, so if you're collaborating on emails with coworkers, you can share drafts and feedback directly within the app. And the best part is that the free version includes most of the essential features, so you don't need to spend a cent unless you want the extras. Tool 6. Canva is the ultimate tool for anyone who needs to create designs but isn't a professional graphic designer. Whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or marketing materials, Canva makes it easy. The platform is intuitive, so you don't need to spend hours figuring out how to use it. Canva's AI features take things to the next level. You can generate templates by simply describing what you need, resize designs to fit different formats with one click, and even use an AI writing assistant for your copy. The Magic Edit tools let you tweak your designs effortlessly, saving you a ton of time. While the free version is packed with features, the Pro plan offers additional templates and graphics if you want to really up your game with your designs. Tool 7. By now, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, and you might already be using it. But it's worth talking about how you can use it to boost your productivity. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing drafts, or looking for feedback on your work, ChatGPT is like having a sounding board that's always available. It's especially useful for tackling creative blocks or coming up with fresh angles on a project. Even if you're already familiar with it, there's always another way to integrate it into your workflow. Before we wrap up, let me share a few bonus tools that might not fit into everyone's routine but are still worth knowing about. Forms is perfect for creating surveys and quizzes, with AI that helps you generate questions and customize them easily. Otter is an AI-powered meeting assistant that records and transcribes meetings, making it easy to revisit key points without taking notes yourself. Humata is ideal for research. It simplifies complex documents by summarizing them and helping you find the exact information you need. And finally, Gamma is a tool for designing presentations and web pages using AI, letting you create polished results in minutes. The best thing about these tools is how seamlessly they can fit into your day-to-day life. They're not about replacing your workflow, but improving it, giving you back time and energy to focus on what really matters. Which of these AI tools have you used before, or are you thinking of trying? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.